Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to create a spacing between the one letter to another letter in your word or text. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to add spacing in the text in Canva, I just going to show in this video. So first of all, we just going to add some text here. So we just going to type a spacing so I can easily show how it's look like. So now I just going to increase in size. Okay, we just make this size. So to change the spacing here, you just need to click this option called spacing. Just click this. You will see a two option, a letter spacing or line spacing. So the letter spacing actually make the letters so spacing like this. You can make up to 800. So you can adjust the spacing, and this is called line spacing. For an example, so we just going to type something here. Line and line. Okay, we just going to adjust the spacing first of all. Okay, we just adjust the spacing like this. You can make this spacing up to and also like this also. So closed, and this is line spacing. You can adjust the line like this. You can just make the line spacing also. So this is how you just adjust the letter spacing for a line also. So I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with this super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.